Welcome everyone, it's good to be back. I had about a week away in Griffith and Leeton. Thanks Neil for the hospitality, it's very much appreciated. It's good to be back home. We are on the Edward River this afternoon. It is a bright, warm, sunny winter's day, but the wind is howling. I just brought bread with me in the hopes of catching a large carp, and who knows, maybe something else. We'll see how it goes. Okay, getting a little bite over here on the rod on the right, which is just in front of these reeds. Well, sorry about that. I noticed the battery died, and I did get the fish in. It was about 45 centimeters. It was a carp, and I caught that on bread. So we're on the board. One down, hopefully a couple more to go. Oh, we hooked into a second one. Sorry about the wind. There we go. Oh, there we go. He's not as big as the one I caught earlier. This one's probably just about 40 centimeters. But that's two. Just to show you how hard the wind is blowing, if you're looking at the river, you wouldn't even know what direction the current was going. It is just a mess. I think we got another one. Something on the end. It's not really putting up a fight. Yep. There it goes. There we go. He's not happy, he's squeaking. It's probably in the upper 30 centimeters. And line went slack, but didn't know he was on there until right at the end. But that's three. Well, the wind made it an absolutely dreadful afternoon, but we still managed three fish. I reckon on a calmer day, caught at least six, because I got plenty of bites, most of which I didn't see because of the wind. But not too bad at all. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It'd be much appreciated. Hope everybody has a wonderful day, and until next time, keep fishing.